So this bar is gonna go just like this, but before I attach it, I'm gonna take the ground and wrap it around the ground screw on the box. Like that. Just wanna make sure that's nice and tight. And then I'm gonna leave all the wires up this way because this says up. This is what's going to attach right here. So I wanna make sure I can have access to those. So now I can install this. This says front. Keep it that way. And I'm gonna put these in, the ones that came with the box. Tighten these down. That's nice and tight. Now a couple things. It does say in here to use silicone to seal these plugs. I'm not really too worried about it, especially if you look up. You can see this is under an overhang. This looks like it has a nice seal here that will seal against this box and make that weather tight. Now the only thing is that these screws are bumped out a little bit. So I'm hoping it's gonna be a nice tight seal. Right now it's rocking, but since it's foam, I think when I put this screw in, it'll probably suck in, but I just wanna make sure that it makes a nice seal all around here. So let's try it. I'm gonna take a bolt from one of the bags, either B or C, as it says in the instructions. I chose B. Hopefully it's long enough. I wanna just make sure this is level. Somewhat level anyways. Oh yeah, that's sucking right in. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so that's nice and tight all the way around. Make a nice seal.